Hi there, students. Pertinacious. Pertinacious. Okay, if you describe somebody as pertinacious, they keep trying. They don't give up easily. They're determined. Yeah, so if something's difficult and it doesn't work out first time, they keep trying at it. They're determined, they're dogged, they're persistent, they're relentlessness. So he pertinaciously continued to try to do it. Yeah, his pertinaciousness is one of his best qualities. Yeah, never say die, never give up. Yeah, is somebody who resolutely continues to do something. Somebody who continues to hold an opinion despite what everybody else says. Yeah, when everybody else is against them, they pertinaciously continue to hold their position. So stubbornly tenacious. So notice this word tenacious. Somebody who's tenacious doesn't give up. Yeah, I know the spelling's changed a little bit, but this is the idea of pertinacious. Yeah, if you're pertinacious, you hold firmly to your opinion. Yeah, no matter what other people say. Okay, he continued trying, he continued to persevere. Yeah, he assiduously continued to try and do this. So, yeah, he's a very pertinacious individual. Yeah, no matter what went wrong, he pertinaciously continued trying. So he's very determined. He refuses to be defeated by problems. She's pertinacious and single-minded, and she follows what she wants until she gets it. Yeah, she's unyielding and persistent. Yeah, to do something doggedly, to not give up about it. Yeah, I'm sorry to be pertinacious about this, but it's very, very important. Yeah, I think in life it's very important to know when to be flexible and when to be pertinacious and not to give up, not to change. Okay, so to stubbornly hold to a course of action, to stubbornly hold an opinion. So he continued to show pertinacious defiance against the authorities because he believed that they were wrong. Yeah, if you're doing research into something, it's good to be a pertinacious researcher. You persist, you don't give up, you don't surrender, you just keep going. I think this maybe reminds me of the times of Henry VIII, where some people pertinaciously continued to hold to the Catholic religion and others didn't. Okay, so I think pertinaciousness, to be pertinacious is a good thing generally, but you need to know when to be flexible as well. Yeah, so it's to be stubbornly resolute and continue with your opinion, or continue to try and do what you aim to do, come what may, come hell or high water, you continue to do this. So let's see, pertinacious, formality. This is quite a formal word. I think I'm going to give it 6.5, I think maybe even 7 in formality. Use in a semi-formal writing, formal conversation, formal writing. Okay, so pertinacious, somebody who continues trying to do something. As to origin, it comes from Latin pertinax, per, very, and tenax, tenacious. So this is the idea. If you're pertinacious, you're very persistent and you keep trying to do something no matter what happens. So enough. Yeah, I've been pretty pertinacious with this channel. It's been quite a few years and I'm still pushing forward. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pertinacious, pertinaciously, pertinaciousness.